what a fascinating place to walk through and have a look and experience what feels like proper, authentic Hong Kong culture. Aww, what a cute little kiwi fruit. Hey everyone! Today we're going to go explore some of the streets of Wan Chai to look at some of the markets. There's so many alleyways and streets around with little market stalls, and I know it's something that Hong Kong's really famous for. So let's go and have a look and check it out. So this is Tai Yuen Street. I've just come out of Wan Chai station and the street looks really long and full of interesting stuff. It's very busy. It's a Saturday afternoon, so it feels like maybe a peak time. It's like 2 o'clock. So when I looked up market on Google Maps, a few sort of points came up around the map, but it looks like when I've gone to a few of those different points, around them is so many markets, so not everything's actually on Google Maps. Like this place just looks like a bunch of alleyways when you look on the maps. So yeah, it's really cool to kind of walk around and explore and see what you stumble across. So busy and bustling. Not only is this street absolutely lined with market stalls, behind all these markets there's shops as well. Looks like it's a toy shops. I think I have heard this place referred to as Toy Street. I feel like any toys or games you needed, you'd find them here. The density of stuff is crazy. Lots of masks for sale. Some dried foods, fruits. Oh my god, this is massive. There's more to the left. I think I'm gonna go to the right. Looks like there's more going on up here. Someone butchering some cuts of meat over there. I'm not sure what meat it is. Lots of different cuts of different types of meat. It's definitely a wet market. It's very wet on the floor. Some fresh fish. Some ducks, some geese. Pork. So there's fish there, still alive. Lots of live fish in that place. Oh, this store's cool. It's all tofu. Tofuism. I just saw a live fish jump out of a box onto the ground, made a massive thud, and everyone was scrambling. I imagine that might happen here a lot with the live food, but yeah, still pretty something I can't say I've seen before. Fruit and veg, that looks so fresh. Fruit and veg here is awesome. And a bakery, that looks really good too. I've had some of the best baked foods of my life in this country. Nothing beats a pineapple bun. So I've just made it into like the main Wan Chai Market, which is a big indoor building. Looked it up and apparently it's from 1937, so it's been here for a while. It'll be pretty cool to check it out. I think it's mostly like fresh fruit and veggies and meat. It'll be interesting to see what's in here. looks like this is pork predominantly. Seems a bit less busy in here than it was out there. Some fish. See lots more pork again out there. I've seen a film for sale at a food market before, so it's really interesting. I think this is the fruit section now. Oh, what a cute little kiwi fruit. Alright, I'm gonna go to Lochardt Road Market. It's just up the road, so we'll see what's going on. It doesn't look anywhere near as busy or happening. I'm not exactly sure if it's open or what the go is, but let's see. The ground floor has like a couple of stores with fish and fresh produce, but a lot of closed stuff as well. That sign says market up the escalators, so let's see what's up there. Okay, there's absolutely way less going on here. A few stalls with some random bits and pieces, like some jewelry, some market stuff, like the same sort of things as was in the other area, but just way less of it and so many fewer people. This is my first time visiting Hong Kong, so I'm not exactly sure what this place was like in the past, but from what I read online in reviews and in guides as far as markets, it seems like this used to be busy. Not sure if it's busier in the morning as it is a Saturday afternoon, but yeah, I'm quite surprised. Seems like, yeah, there's not really a lot going on here in terms of stalls or people. So there's a cooked food market up the top, so let's check it out. It looks like it's a bit busier. Okay, so there's some people at the top in the cooked food market, but yeah, otherwise I would not really recommend coming to Lochardt Street Market, or at least not on a weekend afternoon. But yeah, the other markets were really cool. Wan Chai was really cool, definitely recommend that. Thank you guys for coming with me to explore some of the markets of Hong Kong. I hope you found it as interesting as I did. If you liked my video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. Helps me out so much and it lets you get notified of future videos as well. Let me know, where else should I check out in Hong Kong? Is there any other cool markets I should go and have a look at? But otherwise, thank you guys again so much, and I will see you in the next video.